here's how you can find downloaded document files on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Well, of course, you can just go to like a Safari website where you're downloading the documents, right? For example, I'm going to go to the sample document website. And when I click on a download, this is what it kind of looks like. You can see that the download process begins, and it asks me if I want to just view it or download it, right? So I'm going to click on a download, and you can see at the bottom next to the URL, I have the download icon. So I can click on it as such, proceed to the downloads folder, and this is where it is. So I can, for example, tap on it, and it opens up the document through an application which I which I have as the default one to open up that file type. But most likely it's going to be part of the Files app. When you go to the Downloads section, you should be able to see the files which you just downloaded. So make sure you find those right here. This is very likely the case. And if not, you can always just grab the file like this and use the drag and drop gesture and just paste it somewhere else in your documents right here. So you can see that it would also work manually, so you can manually decide the place and location of the file which is downloaded. One more thing though, you can also check out the settings and go to the apps at the bottom where you can find Safari, and in there you decide the downloads location, right? So you can see I have the downloads, and in my case it is on my iPhone, but as you can tell, I can also save it to the iCloud or even a Dropbox or more options. So just to be clear where the downloaded files end up, check out this section and make sure that you know where it actually goes to. But that would be about it from me. I really hope that I can help you out with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.